Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and look what I have. Oh yes, this is the unboxing of the first Not Too Shabby Shop kit. Yes, she has her own paper and stamps and ephemera pack. Now, the individuals are already live on the Not Too Shabby Shop, so go over there and check that out. She was doing a pre-order for the entire kit. I do not know if the pre-order is still available or not. So you'll have to go to the website to check that out. Now, on the individual items, you can also use the 10% off code that is in the description box below. So definitely go check that out, okay? So all of this stuff, the links to the shop and so forth will be in the description box below. And I'm so excited to show you the first set. So mine came in a little box and it was wrapped up in this pink paper. You know, even though pink's not my fave. But it's pink paper. And so let's see what's in here. Ooh, yes. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull all of this out. And, look, more stuff. How fabulous. And why don't we could just go ahead and leave this down here. So you have that nice hot pink background. So let's start with some of these items first. We have some die cut stickers, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open all of these. So you can see what's really going on. So you have the Not Too Shabby die cut stickers, and there's the shop name, of course. What? And don't forget to tell her that I sent you. So you've got the ones that say warm wishes. Perk up, buttercup. Well, it doesn't say buttercup, but I said perk up. It says thanks a latte. And it's fun that they have different sayings instead of just all the same. Mama needs coffee. Unfortunately, or I don't know if it's unfortunately, I don't drink coffee, so these would all be like milkshakes for me or something because I don't drink coffee. All right, so you've got your stickers, and they are approximately 3 inches. So if you didn't know, each piece of your finger, each joint is roughly an inch on average. So these are roughly 3 inches tall. All right, let's look at the next set. So we've got some die cut stickers that look like this. And I'm probably just gonna leave them all out of their packages and just put it in one like big envelope. Alrighty then, so you've got cupcakes and bows. Look at that, you can put a bow on your cupcake. You've got big bows and smaller bows. I think the cupcakes, you have cupcakes with bows and hearts. We've got some yellow bows, blue hearts, red hearts. And I don't know how many is in here, but you can see that there's quite a few. So you've got those. Are they die cuts or die cut stickers? It says they're die cut stickers. Yes. Alrighty then. Let's do the next piece of ephemera. This gives you my love for stamps and Scrappy goodness. This gives you more. There's something else in here. I wasn't going to open it because it looked like just more of the other ones, but there's something else in this one. So we're just gonna dump it. We're just gonna dump it. Dump it to crump it. So you got your bows again, but in this one you have some doves. You have some larger hearts. You have a much larger cupcake, so let me show you. Cup of cakes. You've got this heart bow. There's a tinier cupcake. So you've got like 3 sizes so far of cupcakes. And then you have this, oh man, You know that's because it's blue. And I think she said that there will be an assortment, so it's not exactly the same number of everything in each one. I'm not sure, but I believe that's what she said on the video. Okay, it came with this die. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway because I got this die as my free with 60. So I'm going to do a giveaway right here. You have to be a visible subby, 18 or over, in the US, and in the comments below, put what type of tea you like. And if you don't like tea, put which kind is your least favorite. All right, so then you get a little package here, and it says you can tag her on Instagram. I just closed my Instagram account. So you got the little card, of course, and then there's a sticker in there. You're not too shabby stickers, and a little assortment of, what do you call these things? You know what they're called. I'm drawing a blank. So you got that. Okay. Now let me show you the stamps because you will flip over the stuff later on. Okay, so we have this stamp set that says, "Be mine, happy together, and a happy anniversary for you," and so forth. It's so funny because, yeah, when I saw this stamp, I did not realize it's so funny. When I saw this stamp, the first thing I thought was friends. So in sign language, even though the hands would be backwards, but in sign language, friends is done like this. So when I was looking at this, I was like, oh, it's a sign language stamp that says friends. It's not. It's like a woman and a man holding hands. They're like, I'm going to hold your hand by the finger. But yep, when I was looking at it, I was thinking, oh, it's the sign language sign for friends. But anyway, there you go. I suppose if you adjusted it, you could still make it that way. Then they have this one. So I miss you. That's all. Happy Valentine's Day. This one, when I count my blessings, I count you twice. Normally, I don't like to read for you because you can read, but that one's hard to read. So this is like a floral. It is a floral. It's kind of cool in it. And then you've got other pieces there. And then here is the cupcake one. So you got your cupcake, you got the stack of cookies, which this is so funny because when you look at your stamps, think of them in different ways. So like I said, this one to me looked like the sign language for friends. This is like a stack of chocolate chip cookies. But when I looked at it at first, it looked like one of those, like a macaroon with something on it, like sprinkles on it. Or, you know, like those, what are they called? They're chocolate, like a chocolate cake they're chocolate covered cake on the tops and bottoms. And on the inside is like a puffy cream or something. What are those, moon pies? That's what I thought when I first saw this. Now, here's another thing. If you turn it this way, it kind of looks like pickles. So it kind of looks like, so you could do it in green. Here, obviously, this is supposed to be like some kind of cookie sandwich, but you could color it so that it looks like grilled cheese, like a heart and grilled cheese heart, or a stack of pancakes that are in the shape of hearts. I don't know, just look at your stamps in multiple ways. So those are the 3 stamp sets. Now, here is the kicker. Oh yes, look at this. Do you see what that says? Not too shabby paper. Yeah. And it's 6x6, 24 double-sided sheets, and you get 2 of each one. So the quilting, and then you've got the little tufts on the back. I'm gonna open this too, because this is the first one. You might as well see it all. See it all, baby. See it all. So here's the cover. I like this cover design too, because see, you could take that and put it on something and take the bottom. Now, these have sort of a shiny coat on them, so I don't know how well you could stamp on them. You'd have to try that out. You can use stays on, but I don't know how well it would stamp, so you gotta check that out. But you've got the pink chocolate in the back. Then white with polka dots. More pink. And this is like a whitish gray. And then you got this one. I have to say, I really do like this, even though that's pink. If it were blue, I'd be like, yes! And this one. I will say this. If you're going to put pink on something, it definitely has to go with chocolate. Because pink, that's a nice color combination. And I love that chocolate brown. Oh. So if you just have to put pink, then definitely have some chocolate brown on it. Because that is pretty. Look at those. So like this. So you have 4 of the same ones basically on the front. But when you turn them over, they have different ones on the back. So this is like a light pink. And this is kind of like your Barbie pink. So how cute is that? Yes. And that's not all. You get, bam, a second paper bag. How cute is this one? Now, you know I'm loving this teal right there, right? You know, because that's my color. Yes. Oh, yes. So you've got your front. And like I said, there is a slight shine on these too. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can see it. Oh, my babies are in there crying. This time you get 4 of each one. And then those are on the back. This actually kind of reminds me of like wintry stuff. And then you have this one, which is cute because it's like these little chairs. And what's on the back of these? And it's cool because they have like quote unquote glitter spots. This one's a geometric. But those are your bows. Those are the bows, bows. Here's this one. See, these are kind of like the patterns where it makes you want to do 6x6 cards so you don't waste it. Oh, Lord. And then this, I like this because this is like a red color. And then that's cute on the back. And then you have these doves. So you see where the doves in the other pack comes from. And then you have like these little glitter pieces on the geometric. So how awesome is this little kit? So definitely go over, look at the shop, look in the description box below because you'll see the links as well as a discount code. And I shall see you guys later with some projects. See ya. Bye-bye.